Question third. A soft drink is available in two packs. Two packs. One is rectangular and other is cylindrical. There are two types of pack, rectangular and cylindrical. Dimension of cylindrical pack is length is 5, length is 5 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter and height is 15 centimeter. And in cylindrical, radius diameter is given to you 7 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter. Which container has greatest capacity? Find which container has greater capacity. You have to find which container has greater volume and how much more, कितना ज़्यादा है and how much more. So volume of rectangular can is L into B into H cubic unit. So 5 into 4 into 15 centimeter cube. 5 4s are 20 into 15, 300 centimeter cube. Second, volume of cylindrical pack. Cylindrical pack is equal to pi r square h. Pi you can take 22 upon 7 into radius is r is equal to 7 upon 2 centimeter. This is the radius. So 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 and height is 10. Unit is centimeter cube. This 7 cancel out. 2 11s are 2 5s are. So it becomes 11 into 7 5s are 35 centimeter cube. So 11 into 35 is 385 centimeter cube. So volume of cylinder has greater. This is greater capacity. Cylinder has greater capacity, and how much you have to take difference. Difference is equal to 385 minus 300 centimeter cube. So it becomes 85 centimeter cube drink is more. 85 centimeter cubic drink is more in cylindrical